Ocean caves are a lot different than just a regular cave. You're going to have a lot of formations, but you're going to have seashells embedded in these formations. It's one thing to see a cave from a distance. It's another thing to get right up on it so you can see all the little details. I mean, just look at this stuff. At high tide, all this stuff's underwater. Later in the video, I'll show you some live barnacles. Through the years, I've been in a lot of caves, but I've never actually been in caves right near the ocean. It just adds to the beauty. It just makes you happy to serve a God with creativity like this. Look at these caves, they're beautiful. Some of these caves go back in there pretty deep. Here's those live barnacles I was talking about. If you look right in there and take a leaf and tap it, you can see these things are still alive. They're just waiting for that high tide to come back in and fill everything back up with water. Once in a while when I tap it, you'll see them retract a little bit. I've never actually been this close to barnacles before. I've seen them on boats and things where you can't really get at them. Because of the high tide, low tide, we're able to get in here. Another thing that's pretty interesting is some of these seashells will actually ingrain themselves into the rock. I don't know if there's a live animal in this or not. They've grown themselves into this rock for security. Pretty interesting. They won't budge. Check out this formation. It almost looks like a beehive. It's like a red-pink color. I'd imagine this is coral. Some of the surfaces of these rocks are so shiny. Maybe the sand polishes it like this? Gotta say, these sea caves are interesting.